Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off your sound on Scrabble Go's application. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off sound on Scrabble Go, firstly go ahead and launch open your Scrabble Go application. The homepage of Scrabble Go application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of Scrabble Go's account. Click on little gear icon at the top right side, and from the pop-up slide the slider of sound option to the left side to turn off the sound. This is how you can turn off sound on Scrabble Go application quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.